Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I have a story for you. This is a story of Tanveer. One day Tanveer went to park. Tanveer saw a tiger. He became frightened. He came back to home and he saw a table. He drank water from tap. He didn't turn off the tap. His mother said, Tanveer, turn off the tap and do not waste water. Dear friends, the beginning sound of tiger, table and tap is t. T, t, t. Say as t, t, t. Now say with me t, t, t. Let's read with me. T, tiger. T, table. T, tap. T, tiger. T, table. T, tap. T, tiger. T, table. T, tap.